There are so many free traffic sources that it might be difficult to focus on just one. It's critical to be selective because, while you don't have to spend money on these traffic sources, they do necessitate your time and attention to success. However, keep in mind that free does not mean easy. You must have a solid content strategy entails more than just paste links over the internet. To gain a dedicated audience, you must first select the appropriate platform for your business, and then produce quality content. We have compiled a list, top 5 free traffic sources for driving targeted traffic to your website and affiliate content. 1. TikTok. TikTok is the most recent platform on this list. It has over 700 million monthly active users, outnumbering sites such as Twitter, Pinterest, and Snapchat. TikTok may bring people from all around the world. New videos are added recently. Anyone may go viral on TikTok if they post high-quality content and drive traffic to your affiliate site. 2. YouTube. YouTube is the second most popular search engine. And you don't have to be an artist to profit from the platform. Creating simple videos, such as product reviews, roundups, and tutorials, are effective in capturing viewers' attention. Unlike other platforms, you can enter your links directly into the video description without fear of the system penalizing you. Remember that visitors looking for practical videos are frequently near the end of their purchase journey. This could imply that they are looking for a direct link to a product or service. 3. Instagram. With 1 billion monthly users, Instagram can accommodate the entire family, from young to adults. Instagram is a very user-friendly program. The most appealing characteristics are universal adoption of this application, which allows you to reach a global audience. Instagram algorithm will give it to you in the guise of an ad. The platform is incredibly accurate at displaying its users what they want to view, making it an excellent way to reach your target demographic. 4. Reddit. If you've never used Reddit, it's made up of several forums where people connect to discuss their interests in real time. Unlike other forums, Reddit discussions are rarely lost. All of the postings have been stored and are freely searchable on the website and using search engines. Sometimes Reddit discussions even pop up on the first page of Google. While it's a terrific location to attract traffic to your website, be cautious because Reddit members are incredibly skeptical. Because everyone can see your posting history, if you keep pushing the same link, you may be kicked out of particular forums. 5. Pinterest. Pinterest appears to be a social media platform but functions more like a search engine. Its 320 million users come to it for inspiration and information to pin to their virtual vision boards. The most intriguing statistic regarding Pinterest is its users' purchasing power. Almost half of all American households earning 6 figures every year use Pinterest, increasing the average purchasing power above $75,000. However, just because someone pins a post does not guarantee they intend to purchase the product. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.